One thing I do know is that it's hot out. It's been really hot out recently, and so that's why this story caught my attention. Sony launches wearable air conditioner and personal heater for $130. I want this thing right now.
Yeah, I was looking into getting it.
They might send it.
Yeah, I'm hoping so.
Cool. Yeah. That would be awesome. I don't know how well these things work, but it could be a truly genius type of thing, because obviously when it's really hot out and you may be forced to be in environments that aren't well air conditioned, maybe you may have to work outside. That's immediately where my head went. This thing, apparently for $130 that you wear on your back, is capable of dropping your body temperature by 13 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. That's not nothing, Will. 13 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Fahrenheit? You're feeling cooler for sure. Mm-hmm. It's all controlled via an app. I believe it connects to the app through Bluetooth, and you can control your temperature that way. It's also capable of heating you up if it's cold out by 8 degrees Celsius. That's your body temperature that I'm talking about. The device is roughly the size of a wallet, and it slips into a special undershirt which features a pocket at the base of the neck. Which, you know how if your neck is cold, all of a sudden you're cold? Or if your neck is hot, all of a sudden you're hot? It seems like a key location for your body's cooling and heating.
Yeah.
So I wonder if this thing is capable through utilization of a small amount of power of having a big impact just because of the location it sits. That's my hope. I obviously would love to try it out for myself. Like I said, by the way, it only weighs 3 ounces, so hopefully you don't even notice that it's there. But my mind immediately went to the idea, anyone working in these conditions, anyone working on HVAC has to go on a roof right now to fix an HVAC unit, or somebody working outdoors, maybe they work for the city. All kinds of jobs and professions put you outside in this crazy heat. Mm-hmm. Throw this baby on, you're feeling more comfortable. It uses USB Type-C to charge it up, and it has a 2-hour charge time, which will give you 90 minutes of cooling. So hopefully you don't have to be outside too much. You can go hit the recharge on it and get yourself another hour and a half of cooling. $130. I don't know if that's expensive or not. I think it really depends how well it works.
It also comes with the shirt.
Got to come with the shirt. Right? Special pocket. It's an undershirt, so you're supposed to slide this into the undershirt and then still wear whatever shirt you were going to wear over top of it. And I guess you're going to have to wash the shirt as well. But I think that's a cool move, because the idea of manufacturing an all-in-one cooling shirt, and then it's the same thing I had when you have the hoodies that heat themselves up. You got to remove some electronic components to wash it. Just have it modular and remove the thing, wash the shirt, and then slide it back in when you're ready to go, recharge it. It's going to have to work well, though, to convince me to actually do it. So anyway, for the time being, it's available for purchase at various Japanese sites. It's called the Sony Reon Pocket, and it's a sleek, minimalist type of thing. Maybe if it cools you down, you don't need to work the air conditioner so hard as well, even indoors.
Right.
And therefore you could save a few bucks on the energy. I know are you trying to save a few bucks on the energy? Some people are. Well, what about the environment?
Oh yeah, that thing, yeah.
Yeah, that thing.